Forex investment, also known as foreign exchange or FX trading, involves the buying and selling of currencies on the global market. As the world's largest and most liquid financial market, Forex presents opportunities for individuals and institutions to profit from fluctuations in exchange rates. This dynamic arena requires a blend of strategic analysis, risk management, and market awareness to navigate effectively. In this video, I am going to tell you how to take first step in Forex. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 1. Educate yourself. Educating yourself is the cornerstone of successful Forex trading. Understanding market dynamics, analysis techniques, and risk management strategies empowers you to make informed decisions. With a solid foundation, you can navigate the complexities of the Forex market with greater confidence and effectiveness. Number 2. Choose a reputable broker. Selecting a reputable broker is paramount in Forex trading. Opt for a broker with strong regulation, a transparent fee structure, and a history of reliability. A trustworthy broker ensures a secure and fair trading environment, laying the groundwork for a positive trading experience. Number 3. Start with a demo account. Embarking on your Forex journey with a demo account offers invaluable advantages. By practicing with virtual funds, you can refine your trading strategies, understand platform functionalities, and build confidence without risking real capital. This essential learning phase prepares you to navigate the actual markets with greater proficiency. Number 4. Develop a trading plan. Crafting a well-defined trading plan is pivotal in Forex trading. It outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and preferred strategies, serving as a compass in the volatile market. Adhering to your plan fosters discipline, minimizes impulsive decisions, and enhances the probability of consistent trading success. Number 5. Practice risk management. Practicing effective risk management is a cornerstone of responsible Forex trading. By employing proper position sizing and limiting potential losses, you safeguard your capital from undue risks. This prudent approach preserves your trading longevity and contributes to a sustainable trading journey. Number 6. Stay informed. Staying informed is an indispensable aspect of successful Forex trading. Remaining attuned to economic indicators, geopolitical developments, and market sentiment empowers you to make timely and well-informed trading decisions. A vigilant approach to staying updated enhances your adaptability in the ever-changing landscape of currency markets. Number 7. Master technical and fundamental analysis. Mastering both technical and fundamental analysis is pivotal in Forex trading. Technical analysis equips you to interpret price patterns and trends, while fundamental analysis helps you comprehend underlying market drivers. A balanced proficiency in both approaches enhances your ability to make insightful trading choices. Number 8. Use a trading journal. Maintaining a comprehensive trading journal is a vital practice for Forex traders. Recording your trades, along with analysis, emotions, and outcomes, provides invaluable insights into your strengths and areas for improvement. This reflective tool aids in refining strategies and cultivating disciplined trading habits over time. Number 9. Avoid overtrading. Avoiding overtrading is crucial for sustainable success in Forex. Trading too frequently or impulsively can lead to poor decision-making and increased risk exposure. By adhering to a well-defined trading plan and exercising patience, you can mitigate the pitfalls associated with overtrading and maintain a disciplined approach to trading. Number 10. Embrace patience and discipline. Embracing patience and discipline is fundamental in Forex trading. Resisting the urge for quick profits and adhering to your trading strategy enables you to make rational decisions and manage risks effectively. These qualities form the bedrock of a resilient and successful trading mindset. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.